Okay, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. Can you find the letter M?
M. The letter M. Here it is.
Okay. Put it down in front of you. Put it right there. Okay, where's the letter E?
The E. The letter E. Here it is.
Okay, put it right next to it. Right beside it. Put it right beside it. Right here. Okay, sound it out. What does that say?
That's E. Me.
Very good! High five! Yes! Okay, you want to do another one?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Find the letter P.
P. Here it is.
P?
P.
That's not P.
Here it is.
There it is. Okay, put it right here. Find the letter O.
The O.
Yes. Where's the O?
Here it is.
Okay. And the letter T.
T. The
Where's
letter T.
Do you see it? Where's letter T?
I'm gonna find the letter T.
Where's the letter T?
Right here.
Okay, put it right there. All right, what does that one say? Nope, right next to it. Put it right there. What does that say?
This is A. T. P. A. T. Pot.
Pot! Good job! High five! That's my boy! He's so smart.
I on the crock pot.
On the crock pot? Yes, you did. You burnt yourself on the crock pot. You gotta be careful. It's hot. Okay,
Yeah.
you ready? Let's do another word. How about, where's letter B?
B. Letter B. Here it is.
Okay, put it right here. How about letter A?
The A. Here it is.
Good. Put it right there. Okay, and letter D.
Letter D.
Yes, put letter D right there. Okay, what does that one say?
This is B. A. T. B. A. D. B. A. D. Bat.
Try again.
B. A. D. B. A. D. Batty.
Almost.
B. A. D. B. A. D. B. A. D. Badada.
Almost. Bad. Bad. Bad.
Bad.
Bad. Almost.
Bad.
Very close. Okay, let's try one more, okay? How about, let's try, find the letter M.
The M. Here it is.
Okay, put it right here. How about letter O?
Oh, the letter O. Here it is.
Right there. Okay, how about letter P?
P.
P.
Here it is. Here it is.
You knew it. You knew you grabbed the wrong one. Okay, put it right there. Okay, what does that one say?
This is up. 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 Mop.
Almost. This is aw. Try it again with aw.
Up.
Hmm.
Up.
Aw.
Up. Pop.
Pretty close. Up. Up. What's that?
Mop.
Mop. That's better. Okay. High five. Here's the last one. Letter H.
Letter H.
Where's letter H?
The letter H.
Where's H?
I don't know.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Are you getting tired?
Uh,
Okay, here. Letter H. Where's letter A?
letter A. What's wrong? Here it is.
Good. Okay. Put it right there. Letter T.
Letter T.
Find it.
Here it is.
No, silly. That's not letter T. Where's letter T?
Letter T. The T.
Where's the T? If you get this one right, I'll give you an M&M.
I don't know.
You want an M&M?
Yes.
Get the letter T.
I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is.
You're getting tired. You don't want to play anymore. Okay, here we go. What does this one say? This is the last one, okay? If you get it right, you can have M&M.
It says, ha, at, ha, at, hat.
Yes! Double high fives. Yeah! Try again. Yes, there you go. Good job, buddy.
Now I can have an M&M.
Now you can have an M&M. Say, yeah!